Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the fundamentals. In this video, I will explain how to use a sketch brush pen. Hold your brush pen comfortably, much like a regular pen, but be mindful of the flexible tip. The key is to learn how pressure affects your lines. Light pressure creates thin lines, while more pressure yields thicker strokes. Practice these basic movements to get a feel for the pen's responsiveness. Once you're comfortable with basic pressure, focus on mastering line variation. Use a very light touch for delicate, fine lines, perfect for intricate details. Then, gradually increase your pressure to create bold, expressive strokes that add impact to your sketches. Pay attention to your drawing speed. A consistent pace helps maintain smooth, even lines. Experiment with holding the pen at various angles to discover new textures and effects. Brush pens aren't just for lines. They're fantastic for blending and shading. For smooth gradients, apply light washes in layers, allowing each layer to dry slightly. To create textured shading, try cross-hatching with varying pressure. If you're using water-based pens, you can even blend colors by gently touching the tips of two pens together, or by applying a small amount of water to your paper for beautiful watercolor-like effects. To truly excel, remember a few advanced tips. Always use quality paper designed for brush pens to prevent ink bleeding and feathering. Consistent practice is crucial. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sketching to build muscle memory and refine your technique. Don't hesitate to study reference images for inspiration and to understand how light and shadow work. Finally, keep your pen tips clean to ensure their longevity and consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.